Hello, welcome to the second knife review. Today we're doing the Leatherman Crater C33. The Leatherman Crater is a very lightweight knife. It weighs in around 6 ounces and it has a thumb stud, which makes for pretty easy opening. This specific model has a carabiner, which is right there. Pretty good. I personally don't use it, but I can see how it can come in handy. It has a bottle opener on it. It uses a liner lock, which, it's right there. It's pretty easy to open and close that way. It has a regular clip on it with the Leatherman brand thing on there. And the blade comes very sharp and is super easy to sharpen. And it is also, the blade is 2.5 inches long. So it's pretty easy to carry places that allow knives. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. And if you have any suggestions, maybe I could get the knife if it's under $30.